the best method of fixing as per level carpenting frameworking. The first step, uh, fitting a wooden piece and drilling. Welding help the screw bar and setting as per concrete cover the help of concrete spacer. The first step for setting framework level, take one dimension to the outer side of framework and steer up with suture top to bottom. Check different side vertical level. If it is same dimension, then steer up suture horizontally and fixing formwork as per condition and fixing side support. Then farm working ready for concrete. This is best method of RCC wall farm working. Did you not still subscribe channel? Then you done quickly subscribe channel for you get further information. Please.